possible to know. Now under NRHM, they are going to introduce, I showed it one, can I go back? Issue resulted in the launch of 1951 MOUs. But how well those MOUs are, I just saw some things there, scrapping here, asking for some places, they said only 25 lakhs. Then for 442 districts spread all over India, they have tried PPP model. Then 7091 are emergency response vehicle and then 7458 ambulance vehicle. It's a good idea. But how well it is running, I am not able to get from the access into the data, because they have launched it, and then the way things go, the paperwork which they will do, etc., which will be there. Now the second part of your question, so you have to see how it tracks. They have asked for the PPP model, but how well the PPP models are asked, sometimes government could say, oh, health sector is, you have to do a noble cause, you don't earn money, but nobody will do. The private person who is taking all the effort, doing it is for money. Simple. If it doesn't get a reasonable profit, it's not good. It won't sustain. So one doesn't know. But the other part of the question, there is nothing that bars private parties to do. I was in Punjab as a Vice Chancellor of Punjab Technical University. I was trying to introduce it there. And I asked many NRIs. Because one thing I found when I go there, I knew a lot of people from Punjab will go, their attachment to Pind, that is their village, is so high. Only two people I find in India. One is with that much almost everybody, one from PLP, people from Kerala. They have to visit their village. They say that Illam, they will go. Other will be Punjab. That person is willing to do anything. I asked him, Paisa denge aap? Sir, they denge. What he wanted was only thing in return. This he was ready to do. Only thing in return he wanted that LCD. आपका पिक्चर बना था लगा देंगे. तेरे साथ हमारा पिक्चर नहीं लगाना. His grandfather and grandmother's picture he wanted to do. ये इनके थ्रू इनका दिया हुआ है. That's all. 2 minutes. That is enough. So there is this type of innovations you want to try. Because once that is available, then it can be made. We were constrained by making it to 60 rupees. People will pay more. You can tie up with very small private hospitals. For them, the deficiencies of their diagnostic things, this will take care. Then you can tie up with rural guy, it will be easy. So it is possibility that some of you can entrepreneur, when you are studying itself, you plan on some side. So it should be possible. Because even that is only 442. Even a district by 600 is not enough. Delhi itself can run 10 such units of different types, different classes. One for the poor, one for the upper middle class. Jabhi chahiye ek aa jayega. All these things. Because it is very difficult to drive around in many of these places. So people will love to come that way. So there is a good possibility you people think. Okay, next question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
So my question is healthcare and space technology, how these two can be connected?
You want to connect the land and space? Huh?
I just want to know if there is no.
So you are enamored with space. Then take into space. Then not physically. So, see, there are possibilities. You have to look at it like this. If somebody from, say, I am from space, but still anybody pushes their technology beyond a point, be doubtful about it. No, I am actually answering you. You are to be doubtful about it. You have to have a healthy skepticism is a good scientific mind. Okay? Now, IT people will say, we have IT to solve every problem, ask your questions. Then, in fact, US, they try to do something. Some doctors are all together, some IT fellows and pharma fellows count for statin taking. You take your measurements and put it in. There is an analytic algorithm which will say how much statin to take. Now there is a huge human trial. Many doctors have. So I am giving this as a first reference. Don't go by an external technology beyond a point. It is health that should be the dominant factor if you want to do healthcare. Similar education, that should be the dominant factor. Having said it, I will tell you what can be done. Space is advantageous. It reaches in communication all over India, anywhere to anywhere. Okay. Also, it is costly. So, in remote areas where it will be difficult, one can have a good clinical. See, the reasons why most of the telemedicine experiments in India are failed. They use the research space and all. They are failed because they think that they will replace the doctor. Some of the very good research, they will say, okay, I am giving this cardiologist, my fellow will be here. The poor chap cardiologist is sitting there 1 hour in the studio. From there it comes, the actual problem is that fellow is having a cough. Another person is having a diarrhea and HSC. So this fellow will be, what the hell? Sorry, you say that. You cut it off, sometime he won't come. So he is a professional. So there has to be a screening by actual well-trained, well-tested doctors. You can't just say, I am putting an intern there. It's not enough. So most of these telemedicine places, they put a radiology expert, they put a thing. That fellow adjusts. He does it. Where to see, you won't know. And human body is not same what is given in the Harvey's book of anatomy. Each one is different. So that is where the clinical experience comes. So if you have such a thing, in places where it cannot be reached, why I am saying is that images are very heavy bits. They have to be safely down to the right one. Cardiology, you can't send things on diarrhea. And also you should filter it. Out of the 100 cases he sees, you should normally refer 2 to 3 per day. Doesn't it? For other areas, don't try space because fiber optic lines are much more cost effective. So I will always say cost effectiveness. I am first year technology business manager. I will see we work it that way. So you want to become Saravana, anything that is not business wise doing, cut it out. So most of the places you are getting fiber optic links. They can be used. Done in a very broad sense of the word, epidemiology and the primordial healthcare type of thing, remote sensing type of things are being used where mosquitoes are there. How well these are being used actually was only a one-off experiments, I don't know. Okay, that will be like research. It will not become really into operation. I have not seen any where somebody has put an operational system. This is where these ponds in which malaria things are going. Because nowadays, people can walk around, take a mobile, you get a much better picture, high resolution picture than what you have to go there and then take it, etc. So you have to see this. So basically, it will be around the mobility or a quick reach of a place. If there is a disaster, many other things don't work. You can take a DSAT terminal and reach it there. Another this one will be that use the DTS, direct home this thing, lot of communication messages, well packed. That will be very important. But making the contents of it so that it is more close to the creative industry and the knowledge of it in a very practical sense. These are, since you wanted space, but it has got a very limited role. Otherwise, space technology is great, that is for something else.
And then scope of space technology in the surveillance type of things.
What surveillance? I told you no. Remote sensing, I said no. What surveillance you want?
Epidemiology, to reduce the epidemiology.
Epidemiology, if I am having a TB inside me, it cannot be seen by space. I told only for items which are malaria, this breeds in this larvae, it feels here. Some these things, but you can't even find H1N1 etc. where the figure is, the pig to anything grabbing, it won't show any feature that space can see. Okay, so it is very limited. Epidemiology do not actually work. People like avoid going there. Arey bolo kya hota hai? That is why the epidemiological research in India is bad. You have to physically go there. Okay, mobile hospitals are useful. Yeah.
So may I, sir? I am Colonel Shri Krishna, sir. I am from Indian Army.
Okay.
I'm a student of first year.
Okay. Indian Army, what
I am from infantry, sir.
Huh?
Infantry.
Infantry.
Correct, sir. Sir, I just want to give an input to this August gathering, sir. That the same model of Uttarakhand is being effectively used in J&K, sir.
Yeah.
Like mobile medical teams, sir. We have been, in fact, addressing all the villages in remote areas, sir, with this. The doctors are there, and Indian Army is working along with the state government health departments, sir, for this. We have earmarked diagnostic facilities also, sir, in some of the PHCs in the remote areas, where they can conduct these. But as for doctors and medicines are concerned, they are being given at the doorsteps in these remote villages.
Okay.
Sir, sir, now my question, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, now with this, like affordable care as far as all persons are concerned, sir, is there any need to have an act of the government, sir? For that? Secondly, sir, can the Ayush, for which this budget has earmarked about 500 crores, sir, can this be a via-media link to bridge that gap, sir?
Okay. To answer the first part of your observation, I am very glad he elaborated it because I was involved in the type this thing. That is why I know about the item, and I was very happy to find it replicates. In India, very few people do want. It went into J&K, Uttarakhand itself they are done almost fully. It has gone to Mizoram also, a few places. That is why USAID was very happy they took the thing. So it is a thing which is now replicable, but how to customize it for local will be a very good challenge. Just as he told the certain items of it. Item number first, I am afraid of acts. Acts are the easiest thing which can be done from Delhi. Fellows will be there, this one. We have made this one, so many acts we have given. You this right, that right, and this right. It was easy. You can't implement. You can't implement. There are so many acts which are there. Food Security Act. Kya denge? Your FCI godowns, you don't have even 1/3 capability even in those days. How do they store grains in India? You go and see, if you watch, some of you travel in the train, you watch. Many kind of things are put there in the train storage. So, act is something I am clear in my conscience. Just as we go to temple, all these things are, you would have done a murder there and put in the hundi. Like that act is that. I am using a strong word, but acts are terrible because they are all being by any act which cannot be done, implemented 99%. 1% can be error. It is not worth doing. But what is worth doing is, this can be replicated. You can replicate mobile hospitals, you can replicate for upper end also. I am for all India. I would like the digital also to do in India. I will like to have even foreign campuses put in here. No problem. You know, Indian parents pay $7 billion annually. Billion. B as in Bombay, not like Mumbai. $6 billion every year they are sending fees for their children. If those campuses were there, it runs to a few thousand crores, few tens of thousands, few 100,000 crores, 35,000 crores or something like that. It is there. So like this, others can put in, and the FDA can put in. Let the services be done. As far as the medical thing is concerned, more the acts which will be done. Somebody will then say, I want to find out a standard by which according to be done. Why US thing is costly? They have got too many regulations. Therefore, what will happen? If you tell them that the doctor made a mistake, you have to pay $10 million, the doctor will take an insurance policy, hospital will take an insurance policy. We are too early in the game. American healthcare system is unaffordable. Whereas Japan spends only 1/5, they give a better pay. Europe too much better. So these act are all people from got a mindset from US. Therefore, don't go for it. I will put one more thing. Large zoo. Have you heard about large zoo?
Yes, sir.
Who said yes, sir? Tell me. Who is that? Who is large zoo? No, tell.
So he's a philosopher.
Which year? Approximately?
Sir, long time back, I don't know.
Long time